A pit stop is a term most commonly associated with motorsports, particularly auto racing, where it refers to a brief but essential halt during a race for a racing car to receive maintenance, refueling, tire changes, or other necessary adjustments. Pit stops are critical moments in a race, as they can significantly impact a team's performance, strategy, and ultimate success. However, the concept of a pit stop has also transcended the realm of motorsports and is now used metaphorically in various contexts to describe brief interruptions or breaks for maintenance, reevaluation, or adjustment in different fields and aspects of life. In motorsports, pit stops are meticulously choreographed routines performed by highly skilled pit crews. These crews consist of tire changers, fuelers, mechanics, and strategists who work together with remarkable precision and speed. During a pit stop, the racing car enters the pit lane, and the crew swiftly performs tasks such as changing tires, refilling the fuel tank, cleaning the windshield, and making any necessary repairs or adjustments to the vehicle. The goal is to minimize the time the car spends in the pit and get it back on the track as quickly as possible, ideally in a more competitive condition than before the stop. The strategy behind pit stops is multifaceted. Teams must decide when to pit based on factors like tire wear, fuel consumption, weather conditions, and the overall race strategy. Timing is crucial, as a well-timed pit stop can gain a team a competitive advantage or help them recover from setbacks. Pit stops also serve as opportunities to reassess and make changes to the race plan, such as altering tire compounds or adjusting the car's setup to better suit the track conditions. Beyond motorsports, the concept of a pit stop has been applied metaphorically in various contexts. In business, a pit stop can represent a brief pause in operations to address issues, optimize processes, or implement changes to improve efficiency and competitiveness. It might involve assessing financial performance, refining marketing strategies, or reevaluating product offerings. In personal life, a pit stop can refer to taking a short break or timeout to recharge, reflect, and make necessary adjustments. This might involve reassessing personal goals, refining daily routines, or seeking self-improvement opportunities. The term pit stop is also commonly used in the healthcare field. In medical settings, a pit stop can represent a brief pause in treatment or surgery to address unexpected developments, recalibrate equipment, or ensure the patient's safety. These moments of adjustment and reassessment can be vital in providing quality healthcare. In summary, a pit stop, originating in motorsports, is a brief but essential interruption in a race for maintenance, adjustments, or refueling. It symbolizes meticulous planning and teamwork to optimize performance. Beyond racing, the concept has found application in various fields and life contexts, representing moments of interruption and assessment for improvement, recalibration, and rejuvenation. Whether in business, personal life, or healthcare, the notion of a pit stop underscores the value of brief pauses and adjustments to achieve better outcomes.